I bet you're already yawning just from reading the title. But why? Contrary to popular belief, yawning isn't just about being tired or bored. It's your body's clever way of cooling down your brain and increasing oxygen intake. Surprisingly, this simple act is far more complex than we once thought. Here's where it gets really interesting. Yawning is contagious. When you see someone yawn, your brain's mirror neurons fire up, making you want to join in. This social yawning isn't just a human thing. Even dogs catch yawns from their owners. So, the next time you yawn, remember, you're participating in a fascinating biological and social phenomenon.